In this video, we will show you how to unbox and assemble your Greenworks 42-inch CrossoverT Tractor Riding Mower. We have featured an 80-volt 42-inch tractor. However, this guide can be followed for the 60-volt model as well. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. To assemble your mower, you'll need a 10mm, 13mm, 16mm, and 18mm wrenches, as well as a 6mm Allen key. Make sure you've got them ready before you start. Depending on the model you purchased, these tools may have been provided. Step 1. Unpacking. Determine which way the unit is facing. When first positioning the frame, be sure to leave yourself enough room to safely drive the mower off the platform. Start by removing the corner bolts that hold the top of the frame in place. Use a second wrench to hold the backing nut while loosening the bolt. Lift the top off and set it aside. Next, remove the 6 bolts securing the 2 front corner posts to the lower frame. Do not cut the zip tie holding the side discharge chute until you've driven the mower off of the frame. It may catch on the post support and cause damage. Remove the boxes and any loose packaging materials around the unit. The first box contains a quick start guide, product manuals, 2 ignition keys, assembly tools, and a hose coupler. The second box contains the charger and the wall mount. The third box contains the steering shaft, the steering wheel, the steering column, and the cover plate. The seat hardware is attached to the bottom of the seat. Remove the nuts securing the seat to the lower frame and carefully pull out the seat. Remove the 4 ratchet straps holding the tractor to the frame. Loosen the bolts on the metal bracket and fold it down so it's flush with the frame. Step 2. Installing the seat. Place the seat assembly over the seat panel, aligning the bolt holes. Flip the seat forward and secure the base using the washers and nuts provided. Tighten them using a 13mm wrench. Once all the washers and nuts have been secured, cover them with the protective caps. Cut the zip tie holding the wire harness to the deck height adjustment lever and connect it to the seat plug located underneath. Step 3. Installing the steering wheel. First, install the steering shaft into the coupler, rotating it as needed until the holes line up. Insert the 2 bolts and washers into the coupler and tighten them securely using a 6mm Allen wrench. Now install the steering column. Line up the tabs on the bottom of the column with the slots in the opening and make sure it's seated firmly. With the column in place, install the steering wheel, making sure the front wheels are pointed straight ahead. Using your wrench, tighten the bolt and washer securely. Finally, snap the steering wheel cover plate into position. Step 4. Batteries and charger. This model comes with 4 5-amp-hour 80-volt batteries and a wall charger. The batteries are not shipped fully charged. To access the battery compartment, lift the seat and open the lid. Be sure to remove the protective foam padding underneath each battery before installing. Align the ribs on the battery pack with the grooves in the compartment, then push the battery down until you hear a click. To remove the batteries, press the release button and pull the battery pack out of the compartment. To charge the batteries, plug the charger directly into a wall outlet. Once connected, a green light will appear. Insert the charging plug into the unit firmly to begin charging. Step 5. Know the controls. Let's take a look at the control panel. The ignition switch turns the mower on and off. Insert the ignition key, turn it to the right, and hold until you hear the battery click on. Please note, the unit will not operate unless someone is sitting in the seat. The PTO, or pull to operate, switch engages and disengages the mower blades. Pull up to start and push down to stop. The directional control switch has 3 settings: drive, neutral, and reverse. Always come to a complete stop when changing modes. Reverse mowing button. Press this to cut while going in reverse. The digital display shows key info like battery level, drive speed, blade speed, working hours, and error messages. Consult your manual for a full list. The blade speed button adjusts blade speed and also acts as the back button in the menu. The menu button opens the menu and lets you move up through options. The lights button turns on the headlights and also works as page down in the menu. The cruise control button adjusts your drive speed, and pressing it confirms menu selections. Step 6. USB charging ports. Your mower is also equipped with USB charging ports. These provide 5 volts at up to 2.1 amps, which is perfect for charging phones, MP3 players, or other small devices. Step 7. Deck height adjustment lever. Before driving the mower off the frame, you must raise the deck. Use the deck adjustment lever and raise the deck to its highest setting. The deck can be adjusted from 1.5 up to 4.5 inches. Step 8. Driving off the frame. Disconnect the charger and sit in the seat. You're now ready to move the mower off the shipping frame. We recommend using a small ramp or placing some wood next to the frame. Driving the mower off the frame in the forward direction without a ramp can cause damage to the mower's cutting deck. If no ramp is available, the mower can be driven off the frame in reverse. Set the directional button in the reverse and drive the mower off the frame while looking down and behind. Insert the key into the ignition. Turn it to the right and hold until you hear the battery click on and the control panel lights up. If the parking brake is engaged, tap the brake pedal to release it. Ensure the directional control switch is set to the drive position. To drive the unit off the metal frame, gently press the accelerator pedal until the mower starts to move. Maintain steady pressure and keep the wheels straight. The steering is designed for sensitive response. Rapid movement of the steering wheel in any direction could result in a reaction of the machine that can cause damage to the unit or accidental injury. When driving the mower off the shipping frame, take your time and use the brake pedal to control your speed. Remember, the mower can roll freely on an incline if you don't press the brake or set the parking brake. Once you're clear of the frame, fully depress and hold the brake pedal. Lift the parking brake handle until you hear it engage. You have now set the parking brake and can release the brake pedal. You may now cut the tie holding the side discharge chute. Allow the batteries to fully charge before use. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.